Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa, this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today's video is going to be the November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus versus the November Boxycharm box. So y'all, these are two subscription boxes that I'm currently subscribed to. I'm trying to find which one I'm gonna stay with, and I may be making my decision soon. So if y'all are interested in what I got from these two boxes for November 2019, just continue watching. Okay, since last time we started with the Boxycharm, I decided to start off with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And so the first item in the box is the Dewy Pink Volumizing Mascara in black. And this is the component. This is how it looks. And it retails for $24. I can always use a new mascara, and this does look like a wand that I would like. Just gonna try it on. It seems to be separating the lashes well, but it doesn't seem to be giving too much length. But I'm not picky with mascara, y'all. So I think this is a win in my book. The next items are the Illamasqua lip liners. And I'll try to open this. And I got the shades Lust and Media. And this retails for $42. So this is the shade Lust. And this is the shade Media. They look pretty similar. I don't know why it would come in a duo if both of them look so similar and have two completely different names, but they are not bad. They're not a bad shade. Like, they're a usable shade for me, so I don't mind that, but they are pretty similar in color. And one of them looks like it should be more of a red, but it's not. Oh well. Next up is the Apto Skin Care Healing Turmeric Mask. And I actually do have this in a mini size. I got it from the event that Ipsy had in New York City. So I'm super excited for this because turmeric is a good ingredient for the skin. So this might be a win. I don't mind it. And this retails for $32. Next up is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm. I'm not gonna open this in the case that I want to put this in a giveaway because I do not have a good record with highlighting balms, and this retails for $26. People usually like things like this, but for me, it personally doesn't fare well for my use. And then the last thing in the box is the Gigi Gorgeous The Stick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra, and this retails for $24. And everybody has been talking about Gigi Gorgeous recently, and I can't wait to see the inside. The packaging is beautiful. The shade, I don't know, this one might work for me, but this one definitely not. I don't want to try it on right now. I don't know, this, maybe I'll swatch it. Oh yeah, these are not shades that I want. Well, maybe this one, but this one I definitely won't have use for. The darker shade, maybe. I don't have any base to stick it to, but, or maybe not. I don't know. But my entire box was worth $148, and this is the little Ipsy bag that came with it this month. Now, onto the Boxycharm. Okay, so for Boxycharm, the theme was Stellar, and I got variation number 3. And the first thing that was in this box was something that everybody knew was coming. It's the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. This isn't the full one, but it's a Boxy exclusive. It's like half of the original palette, and this palette is beautiful. I think I want to do a video just on this palette, but Dominique Cosmetics, they have such quality eyeshadows, it's actually ridiculous. Here is the first 4 swatched, and then here are the second 4 swatched. So maybe a video on this palette coming soon. I'm super excited that we got it. It's gonna be my first Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow that I own. I have used my friend Crystal's palette from Dominique Cosmetics that I got her for Valentine's Day, and I do know that the quality is there, so I'm super excited for that. The next thing in my box is the Juice Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this retails for $50, and I'm kind of scared of this just because the last Juice product I tried did break me out, but this does have a really cool applicator. You squeeze out the product by, you know, tapping this down, and it comes out and you have to put it on your eye. This can be cooled in a fridge. I might use it. Hopefully I don't break out. Juice products are expensive, so they're always good to try unless they break you out. The next thing I'm actually super happy that came in this box. It is the Becca Shimmering Perfector in Champagne Pop, and it's $38. This is the collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. This is how it looks. And I do own this, but look at how my original one looks. So now you'll know why I'm so happy that this is in the box. This is my original one that I purchased. It broke. It is so soft. I tried repressing it and then it just broke again. So I'm so happy to have this in mint condition. The next thing are a pair of Lily lashes, and these are faux mink, and they're $25, and they look so nice. They look like the Demi Wispies from Ardell. So I definitely see myself making use out of these on a special occasion. I don't really like using lashes on a day-to-day just because they're expensive. These are $25. So I'd rather save them for like a day, you know, a day. And then last but not least, Boxycharm has brushes, and everybody's been comparing them to the Artiste brushes, but I think they remind me of a mix between the Artiste brushes and the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose brushes, just because of this handle. And they are very soft, and I can definitely see myself putting on foundation with them. And this one with like concealer. So these retail for $35, just a two-piece brush set. And the 5-piece brush set comes in the upgraded box, and that one is definitely like way more expensive. And I thought it looked super cool. I kind of wish I got the upgraded box, but this box is super amazing right now. And then lastly, they put this in my box to try to figure out what foundation shade I am, and I am super happy about that. So I'm gonna try Driftwood on my face, on my neck, to see. And that shade actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that might be my shade. Wow. Okay. So then what they advise us to do is go to a website and then put in which one matched us, so they can start putting complexion products in our boxes. So that makes me super excited for what's to come for Boxy. In total, my box was $183, and I definitely think that Boxycharm won. Boxycharm has won for these past 2 months. And depending on next month, I may cancel my Ipsy and upgrade my Boxycharm to the Boxy Premium. I already received Boxylux, but I think Boxycharm is headed in a direction that I'm super excited for. And Ipsy doesn't excite me in the same way. So I think I'm going to give Ipsy one more shot, one more month, and then I'll make my decision from there, even though I am pretty adamant about upgrading my Boxycharm. But I hope this helps you pick which subscription box you might consider purchasing yourself. I am very happy with all of the items that I got, but have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.